All right, I got it off. So I used some WD-40, some liquid wrench, and then I went and was doing some other stuff on the truck, doing the Z-zip underneath and some spots that I had missed. There's more to do, but it's looking better under there. And then I came out and I grabbed the hammer and I just tapped it. I kept tapping the edge all the way around, not hard, just tapping it. And I thought I could hear a difference in sound when I went from side to side. So that told me that, to me, I was thinking this thing is loosening up. So I guess tapped it for, I don't know, 30 seconds, maybe a minute, probably 30 seconds. And then I just, for the heck of it, I pulled on it and it came off. So very surprising. I mean, I pulled on it with my hands. So no puller involved. Slid off and looks really clean there. You can see the key right there, so I don't want to lose that. I'm not sure, maybe I should tap that and get that off, so I don't want to lose it into the gravel here or anything. And then we're ready for our next step. So I think I need to quick look at the video. I'm pretty sure I know what to do next. We'll probably be taking this off so we can get this casing off. And then we'll have access to the water pump, and exciting. I can't wait to see what that belt looks like. Okay, so I was able to pull it off with my hands after tapping it. It is pretty heavy. It is all one piece. So yeah, when it came off, it's quite heavy. Kind of surprised. Okay, let's get to work. Might take a break and do some chainsaw work. Although I am excited to get into this. Okay, let's get back at it.